Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2020 Boston Whaler 240 Dauntless Pro. With the Pro model, comes with the white blade power pole, Atlas jack plate. This is the new white 300 Verado, digital throttle shift. Stainless steel boarding ladder here on the transom. These seats are also removable, the backrest, so you can put rod holders in the back. As we come through, it does have a live well here in the middle. A slide Yeti cooler. Here at the helm, you'll see the pad for the upper station, which we'll look at shortly. This boat has the Fusion stereo, Mercury vessel view gauge, trim tabs with indicator. Here's your jack plate control, digital throttle shift, and tilt wheel steering. This also has flip up bolsters here at the helm. Making our way around, see a very spacious head area. Coming forward, you've got seats with backrest, full bow cushion, anchor locker forward. And as we come around, you'll see a full control station up top. This concludes the walkthrough of the 2020 Boston Whaler 240 Dauntless Pro. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.